Hi friends, good day and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today we're going to learn a very interesting and exciting topic on pivot tables and calculated field on pivot tables. What that is really using the summarized data of the pivot table to make some additional calculations which may not be part of your base data by itself. So that's basically what we're going to learn today, and we'll get started. What we see here is a set data set of sales transactions, which lists out the region, product, category, unit price, and sales. And on the other tab, what I have here now is the total sales value against this. Now, let us say I would like to know this commission I need to be paying against each of these products. Um, how to do that rather than go in and do all of that into the base data. What we can do is a quick summary on the pivot table itself. So you'll come to the pivot table, analyze on the calculation sections. You have the fields item sets. You will select the calculated field item here. We're gonna name it as commission, and let us say that my commission is uh, 5% of the sales value. So I'm going to double click sales, multiply by 5%, and hit add. You'll see that this is now also added into your field list on the pivot. And when I hit OK, this gives me the 5% of my total sales value in here. If I am to change any of the values, let's say for chair, I have from 1, I make this as 10 chairs over here. There should be a corresponding change to my commission and total sales as well. So what we'll do is right click, refresh the pivot, and there you see it, right? My total sales value and the commission value has automatically changed over here. If you'd like to make any changes to this, let's say my commission rate changes from 5% to 8%, you'll again go back to the calculated field section, select the thing, the field, change it to 8%, hit modify, okay, and that's my revised values in there. I no longer need this. You will come here again, select the field, commission, delete, and hit OK. And there you are. That's how you use the insert calculated field section or function in pivot tables. And I hope you found this useful, and see you next week. That's all I have for you today. Take care and have a good day.